Hi everyone, just a really quick video to show you how to use Class Notebook within your assignments, and I'm going to show you another quick tip as well that Laura was telling me about last night about duplicating an old assignment to use again. So first of all, to duplicate an old assignment, you're just going to go to your assignments. You're going to click Create, and you're going to use this here from existing. Then what this is going to do is bring up all the old assignments that you've got. You're going to click on the one that you want. Or you can search at the top there as well between your classes. So I'm going to go to NLC MPS test class. And then that's going to bring up all my old assignments. Just want to use this old arrays one. I'm going to click next. That's going to bring up that assignment for me to use again. Now I can edit it whatever way I want, can put new information in, switch any of the tasks around, but that way you can keep all the old information and just update whatever you want, and then just go through your usual procedure and click assign, and that will create a whole new assignment using things from one you had before. So moving on to the class notebook. If you've not used Notebook before, when you first click on Class Notebook along the top of your General tab, it's going to say to set up the notebook. You're just going to click Yes to set up, and then what it will do is it will bring all your students up automatically, and it will ask you to, it'll show you folders that are already custom set. It'll show you the ones that it will bring up. It will bring up handouts, quizzes, class notes, and homework. At that point, you can just edit them to say whatever you want them to be, and you can add more. I've already set mine up, so that's how it comes up here. So when I first go into Class Notebook, just go back out, back in. So once you've done the setup process, which is basically just clicking buttons through, it will then come up like this. Welcome to Class Notebook with some information there. You're going to click this bit on the side here, and that will bring up all your content space. So I'm just going to go to Content Library, and I've created a wee folder there that says Worksheets. Okay, you can right click that and you can create a new one, you can rename it, you can delete it, you can add new ones in there. So I'm just going to click Worksheets. Now as you can see there, I've already started creating some. So I've already uploaded a PDF. If you're wanting to create a new one for your children to work on, you're just going to click Add Page at the bottom, and you see there it's come up with an untitled page. Alright, if you start typing at the top here, so I'm going to name this one Division Problems. And then I'm going to click down here, and I'm going to click Insert. I'm going to click File, and I'm going to click Insert File Printout for a PDF. I'm going to click Choose File. It's going to take me to my documents, and I'm going to choose the file that you want. Click Insert. And as you can see, that has now inserted that worksheet onto this document. You could put a wee audio clip on it by clicking audio here and giving some instructions if you wanted. So I'm just going to click that. Use your knowledge of multiplication to help solve these division problems. Stop. You can see the audio recording being put in there. So that's the audio file in. And now I can just click out of this, so that will automatically be saved. Once the reloading symbol's gone away from the top, it's automatically saved. So now if I go to assignments, so I've just named this assignment PDF2, PDF test 2. I'm not going to put any instructions or anything, just now I'm just going to click add resources just to show you how to do this quickly. When this screen comes up here, you're going to click class notebook, and that is going to load up the class notebook, and I put it in content library. So I'm going to go to content library, using the content library, and as you can see here, here are the different ones that I've made up. I'm going to click on division problems because that's the one that I want to assign. I'm going to click attach. Then another page comes up, so this is asking you where you want it to save within the student's class notebook. So I am just going to use handouts. You could have named your different folders for your children different things, maybe home learning, and you just click on the one where you want it to save. I'm going to click handouts and done. So now as you can see, it says your students edit their own copy. So when they go into this now, I'm going to show you what will come up. So I'm just going to click assign. So now I'm logged in as Betty, and as you can see there, the assignment has come up, PDF test 2. So I'm just going to click on it. As you can see there is the notebook that I've assigned. I'm just going to click on that. So as you can see, the worksheet has now loaded up in the class notebook. So you can scroll down, see the audio recording that I put in there. So you could put that in at the start if you wanted. I'd put it in after I put the worksheet in. But what's really cool about this now is the children can click and type on this document anywhere they want. So for example, 5 into 9 with one time. Carry over. Before, I'm going to put that in there. So you can do it that way, or you can click on draw if it's easier for the children to draw on it, and they can draw the numbers in. As you can see, you can rub it out, and rub whatever you've done out, and click back on that to delete it. There's loads of other cool features as well, but that is one great way to allow the children to be able to edit a PDF document really easily using the class notebook. Once they've finished working on it, they can just click close. Once they've done all their tasks as usual, they can just click hand in, and that'll just come back through as normal in your assignments tab for you to have a look at. The only downfall about using the notebook in your assignments is you can only put one notebook activity in per assignment, so you couldn't put 3 or 4 PDF documents in unless you had them on the one notebook document. Obviously, if you're uploading a few different tasks, if you get Microsoft Word documents, when you upload them to your assignments, you can click the 3 wee dots on it, and the wee option to allow the children to edit their own copy is available as well.